first memory of our trip. Oh yeah. Got more than every week. Gracie, any initial thoughts?
It's really cute. It's like a quaint little neighborhood.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. What do you think of the Cuban?
It was really good, actually.
That's
it
good.
felt very, what is it, hipstery.
Yeah.
The coffee was really good. I liked it.
On to drinking. Gracie, initial reactions?
It's amazing. It looks beautiful. Like we've never seen something like this before.
It's amazing.
It is.
Oh yeah. Excited. The birds are having a little snack there.
So this late disgorge fruit.
Good.
Yeah, it tastes like adult apple juice. Very crisp and sparkly. Probably one of the best fruit I've had. It's just really tasty, and I think it was saved for something special.
So closing thoughts?
I would just honestly come here for the views.
Yeah.
But I mean, it's so pretty. I feel like I can't stop looking back because of how pretty it looks.
Yeah.
I will probably come here for the sparkling wine because the champagne is probably the best champagne that I've ever had. So we ordered a bottle to be shipped home because it was just so good.
Little pricey, but it's good.
Not a little, very pricey, but it's really good. We'll have to save it for a very special occasion.
Yeah, definitely. So this place is like crazy nice.
Guys, this Pinot Noir is probably the best Pinot Noir we've had.
Yeah, I came in with no expectations, and this is easily the best Chardonnay and the best Pinot
and it's
I've
paired
ever tried.
so perfectly with their olive. I wish they sold it so we can take some home with the Pinot.
So ultimately, we're gonna get a case of the Pinot. It's just that good. It is pricey. I think for us, like, this has been such a good experience that just a good memory and everything.
And we'll
so
have it at home, look back and be like, oh yeah, it was a good time.
So I don't know, I think it's worth it. Highly recommended. Initial thoughts on the biscuits?
Really good. Good texture. Crispy on the outside and layers on the inside. It's really soft.
The honey butter is delicious.
The honey butter is what makes it.
The pulled pork was really good. Burger was really good.
Yeah, burger.
But I would say maybe a little under seasoned.
I would come here. It's super cute.
Yeah, I think it's worthwhile.
Fresh.
Yeah, especially in the valley area. I think that'd be a good idea. Alright, so initial reactions.
Beautiful.
Yeah, the views are really
It's
nice.
amazing.
Yeah.
It's very green and lush and just really serene.
I like how you get the chance to walk around too.
Yeah.
I think it's really nice, kind of like a
that
self-guide to
is-
just see what you like.
That's a really good Chardonnay.
That's a dangerous look.
You might have to buy a case of this.
Oh,
Wait,
crap.
try it. Wait, try it.
I think in terms of the wine itself, really, really good.
Good.
The cab and the reserve were probably, I think, the best that we've
The
ever
reserve
had.
cab, yeah, it's so
It is definitely pricey.
It's good for like special occasions.
Yeah, I think so too.
So it's worth buying. In my
Yeah,
opinion.
would highly recommend as well. Then for drinking for the day. Back to the room, get ready for the French Laundry. 1, 2, 3. Yay, French Laundry. So So this is everything bagel kind of thing. Future Kevin and Grace here. The waiter would be like, "This is what this is." Blah 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 blah. We were like, "What?" We couldn't remember anything. And our descriptions were awful. So that's why you're seeing future us.
But basically, it was like an everything but bagel stuffing made of cheese, stuffed it into like a thin wafer cone. They also gave that with the cracker with the shallot cream.
Kind of tasted like a gourmet Ritz cracker with cheese.
And then our first item was the oyster pearls.
Yeah, that was so good. Salivating and talking.
The next few, the chilled garden carrot soup, a slow-cooked fillet of the wild king salmon, Alaskan king crab galette. So by this point, we were kind of like, okay, that's good, you know. Is it ultimately worth it? I don't know, but the next part is like totally what just blew us away.
It made it totally worth it.
So first we had the Liberty Farms pecan duck breast. It's like butter. I don't know how else to describe it. It's almost like a steak that has like really high marbling. I don't understand. The star and the highlight of the night was the black truffle and ricotta agnolotti. Wow.
This was a
wow.
best.
This is a black truffle pasta.
And it was amazing. I've never had truffles. I'm not even sure how to even describe the flavor other than with the pasta. The most flavorful, umami, cheesiest, creamy, rich, elegant. I think it's just something that you just have to try it at some point. It was easily one of the best things we've ever tried. We then had the prime rib of Elysian Field Farm lamb. For the other big highlight of the night, the charcoal grilled Japanese Wagyu.
Did I eat that? Oh my gosh. The texture is like unreal.
My mouth is watering just thinking about
And
the memory of it.
Because it almost felt like you were like chewing on your tongue. The texture of like the Wagyu was just so fatty, like tender.
It really was just a totally melt in your mouth experience. Definitely between the black truffle pasta and the Wagyu, that was just the highlight of the night. Then the Guger, I guess is pronounced. And then we close the night with the desserts. Ooh, look at all the desserts. We don't have to share.
Honey and
Oat something ice cream with honey, Swiss roll. I forgot what that one is, but it goes with the donuts. This cake thing that and some macaroons. I think my favorite probably was the oat honey ice cream.
Yeah, that was...
And then we close the night with the assortment of chocolates.
Oh, so I got the hazelnut praline and Kevin got the matcha passion fruit.
That was so good. It was just really amazing. Really glad that we got to try it.
Yeah.
Definitely not
totally
a common thing that we're going to be doing a lot. But it was really glad that we did.
we will have to come back.
Yes, too many wineries.